Hey guys, so quick information: if you want to connect your HyperX Stinger Core wireless to your Xbox Series S, the thing is that they are not compatible with Xbox Series X. Even this person right here, he tried it out with the Xbox and it just doesn't work at all. So yeah, they are not Xbox compatible, therefore they won't work with the Xbox. You can only use them on PC and PlayStation, as those support Baxter 2.4G Easy dongle. It's a Microsoft uses to get more money out of you. Also, this headset is so when you would have the stringer cord, that is connected, and you can do it for it. But really depends what kind of you have. Other than that, you just have to try it out with like adding the dongle and just trying to press and hold the button. But if it's not working, then it's not working.